Artand-Bors. I think that's how you say it. I don't know why I'm here. I ain't actually got a clue why I'm here. Apart from the fact I was going to continue on to Hungary last night, but because of the restrictions, I thought it's best I park here and sleep. Apparently it's a restaurant. I had a good review on Park for Night. Must say it was a bit daunting turning up, like not knowing what anything looks like. It's absolutely pitch black because there's no light in here. Some other fellow campers though, doing their thing. These two are going cycling as well. I'm going to get back on the road. Morning, how are you? Okay? He's like triple checking all of his locks. I said hello to him. I think he thinks I'm some sort of thief. He didn't want to talk. He just literally keeps triple checking them locks on his van. I'm going to be arriving in Hungary in a minute. What I wanted to say was fuel in Austria appears to be extremely cheap. Now, I filled the tank up yesterday and it cost me about, I think it's 55 euros. I had some diesel left, I think like €1 per litre. So much cheaper than everywhere else I've been. So yeah, quite happy with that.
Passport. Okay, you have to go back and to Austria and take the highway.
Back to Austria?
Back to Austria and the highway. You can cross the border, but not here.
Satnav is taking me this way.
Okay, no, A1 or A4, I don't know.
Look, it's taking me.
You tap in Nickelsdorf M1.
Nickelsdorf, yeah.
But you have to turn back.
Okay. There's a lot of traffic for the border crossing from Austria to Hungary. This is the M1 road. For some reason my satnav took me over that way and I got turned back around again. They didn't let me through. But yeah, here we are. I've taken my camera off of the dash because technically I'm still in Austria and they might not like it.
No port. Over. Romania.
Romania. Thank you. Cheers. What's that all about? Alright, I'm through. Been at the service station for 30 seconds and straight away I've had some lady come up to me. She's like, do you want to buy a telephone? And I'm like, nah, I'm alright. She's like trying to force it. I'm like, no, look, I'm not buying it. Leave me alone. This is a bit different to Austria. I have been to Hungary quite a few times. I came last year. It's a shame. I would have liked to explore more of Hungary, but because of the restrictions at the minute, you have to sort of depart within 24 hours. And, you know, it's just one of those things. But I would have gone to like Lake Balaton and all that because it's really nice there. There's a few more people. I think they're trying to sell more phones. Anyway, I'm going to carry on my journey. Oi, it's the first British car I have seen on this whole journey that's been on the same road as me. All the way in Hungary, look. He's got a VW as well. I've just stopped for a quick break. It's 29 degrees here, it's so hot. It's literally like opening the oven door. Hungary is a very, very warm place in the summer. Still cruising through Hungary. It's just long straight roads that never end. They drive pretty crazy here. If like literally if there's a space in front of you, I mean a small space, they will drive right in front of you, and they overtake when there's no need to overtake. Like absolutely crazy. They like even if it's like a blind corner, they still overtake. In and out, in and out. So the second thing in Hungary, if it says stop on the road, literally stop. Even if the roads are empty, if there's a stop sign, just stop. And I'll tell you for what reason. I was just at a junction back there and it said stop. The roads were clear, so I did. And I stood, I waited. The car behind was doing it as well. And it's a good job I did, because after I got round the corner, the police were sitting in a sort of like a hidden lay-by type thing, but they're watching from the side of their van through the trees to see who doesn't stop. And if you don't stop, they'll just come and pull you over and you're going to get a big fine. So take it seriously. It's not like, you know, driving in England where you get away with little things here and there. They're very strict. Oh, I've just pulled over. It is hot. Currently crossing the border between Hungary and Romania. Just waiting here. Waiting. Now I've crossed, I've got to get a vignette for Romania now. So I'm just going to go in the petrol station and get that. I've just gone and got the vignette. Basically in Romania it's done electronically. They don't give you a sticker like you get in Austria. So it cost me 29 RON. I'm going to convert that into pounds and just write it below. So it's made in Romania, but it's in Hungary you say cheeky.
Cheeky, yes.
So it's a cheeky beer. Right, I'm going to give that a go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Stealth camper. You can see it's got them, they're like windows or vents I think on the back. Patriotic. This guy trying his luck on some Romanian fish. Must be bait for like fish. No, don't know. See, that's what confuses me. Like that building there, what is obviously flats, and then that one there is a restaurant. That looks modern, and that looks yeah, rough basically. And having a good old fish. This is where you wait for the tram. Just ordered an Angus burger and chips. Have a look at that. It's got camembert in it and bacon as well. What else did it have in it? Parmesan, wasn't it? And that's what you get when you order a pint of beer. You get half froth and then 3/4 full with, I think it's 400 ml. It's not even a pint. Nonetheless, it's nice. Felt like that was man vs food. I bottled it. I couldn't finish it all. Way too much food there. That's right, I get my skinny ass in there. Ain't happening. I think it's the third time I've tried recording it, it's still ain't recorded. Basically, what I was saying, this is what you do in Romania. Get a kid swing like this, it's got to be one of them really small ones. Start swinging and listen to live music with the locals. You right there? This actually feels like a full-size swing for me. Dobra, dobra. Can't go this way, it's a tree. This is what happens in Romania. Just leave the trees to block the pathways. Just go around the tree. The tree takes priority. Now we're in Beirut. Just driven another 3,000 miles to get here. So we don't close roads in Romania. We just put a bit of board down like that. Just let everyone fuck their tyres up. And their shoes. They can't use their balcony anymore because there's a bush there. Right, so this one's a traditional famous building.
And the blue one?
But I don't get why everyone likes this blue one. Are these homes though?
Yes.
So I don't get what... There must be some history behind this. What's the history? Come on, you're...
I'm local and I have no idea.
You're local, come on, you must know. What's the history?
I have no idea, I'm really sorry, we can Google it.
See that the locals don't even know if the blue building has any history or not. You've got some nice ice cream cones. Is it because of the colour? Is it because there's no other blue buildings? Such a strange place. Any ice cream? Let's go have a look. Oh.
Closed?
No, it's closed. No ice cream. See, that's quite good. I like that with the Romanian flag. That is nice. Stunning. Fellow Romanian van lifer. Here we go, look, little V-dub owner. Chrome sidebars. Roof rack. It's a Swamper. First one I've seen. No one's had the wheels yet.